How to recover your Google account's password. Hey guys, in today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily recover your Google account's password. First thing first, you're going to have to head over to any of your web browser. I'll be using Google Chrome for this. Go to the search bar and then from here you'll simply be searching for account recovery. Once you search for account recovery for Google, go to the first link that you get here, how to recover your Google account or Gmail. Once you open this link up, you'll get a few tips about how you can recover your account. So you're going to have to follow the following steps to recover your Google account. So you'll be asked some questions to confirm it's your account, and you can answer the question as best as you can. So just click on the first thing you see here, open the Recover Your Google Account page. Now enter your email or phone number that's connected to your account. Tap on Next. And here you can use your fingerprint or face or screen lock to recover your account. Or if you tap on try another way, Google has other methods that you can do it. So if you have forgotten your password, you might have set up a recovery email. So you can send a code at your recovery email. And if you tap on try another way to sign in, you could also confirm Google that the phone is yours. So if you tap on continue, they will send you an account recovery email. So you can check your Gmail there, or you could just send a recovery email. And once you do that, you should be good to go. So I'll just use my fingerprint or face ID. If you have it, you could just use that to recover your account. So just tap on continue and you should be good to go. So here I've provided my fingerprint to my device. And as you can see, it says welcome back. Now I'm able to update my password as well. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.